For decades, the constitutional provision on political dynasties has existed as a promise, waiting to be fulfilled. This hearing is convened not to attack families, not to single out individuals, and not to rewrite political history. We are here because the Constitution commands us to act and because the Filipino people expect us to act. We are public servants first. This measure has expressed support of the President of the Republic, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and the Majority Leader. It is a priority measure under the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council. More importantly, credible surveys consistently show that a majority of Filipinos, more than half of our people, want this reform enacted.
Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagdalo at sa pagbabahagi ng inyong malalim na karunungan at mahalagang karanasan. Isang malaking karangalan para sa kapulungan ng marinig ang tinig ng mga taong buong buhay na naglingkod sa batas, sa katarungan at sa pagtataguyod ng hustisya sa ating bayan. Sa panukalang Anti-Political Dynasty Bill ay matagal nang hinihintay ng sambayanang Pilipino. It has been close to 40 years since our Constitution was ratified with a provision intended to guarantee equal access to opportunities for public service and prohibit political dynasties. Ngunit kulang po ito ng isang enabling law at ito na po ang nais nating ipasa sa 20th Congress. Layunin ng pagdidig na ito ay maglinaw, magtimbang, at magpalalim ng pangunawa upang magabayan ng wasto ang mga mambabatas sa kanilang magiging pasya. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat at inaasahan natin ang isang tapat at makabuluhang talakayan na tunay na magsisilbi ng kapakanan ng ating pong sambayanan. Marami pong salamat ulit.